In this video, we are going to see how we can connect SmartTask MCP to ChatGPT. To do that, we'll have to first create a OAuth2 client. So we'll go into the settings area, OAuth2 clients. Here we'll put in the name of the client. I'll just call it SmartTask MCP client. And I'll put in the logo URL, the website. So here we are going to utilize auth type as client secret, which means that we are going to generate the refresh token from the backend. In the backend redirect URIs, we need to put in the URI of the ChatGPT. So I'll just open up ChatGPT now. So in ChatGPT, we'll click on more apps, and in the apps area, we'll click on the settings, advanced settings. We need to enable the developer mode for us to create an application. In the application, I'll just put in the icon of SmartTask for now, and we'll type in SmartTask as name of the application. Description, we'll leave it as blank. I'm going to set this URL, which is mcp.smartask.io/mcp, which is the URL for MCP server. Then the authentication is OAuth2. I'm going to set up the advanced configuration here. So here we are going to get a callback URL. We're going to copy this URL in the backend redirect URIs, and we're going to create the client. So now the client is created, and we'll click on edit configuration to get the client ID and the client secret. We'll store this somewhere, and we're going to utilize this ChatGPT configuration here. So we have the OAuth2 client ID, which we'll put in, and we're going to copy paste the client secret also. Don't worry, I'm going to delete this application later, so that's fine. So we copy pasted the client secret. We'll create the application now. Now the next step for us will be to log into our account and authenticate the application that we just created. All right, SmartTask is now connected. We can now utilize this ChatGPT app. So I will go into a folder that I've created, and we're just going to see how the application works. So you can ask things like, hey, SmartTask, can you give me a summary of last month? And I'll just enter this. So it will search for the available tools and make a call to our server, and it will give a summary of the tasks here. Right now, we can also ask it, hey, can you give me a summary by projects? As you can see, it will give you a full summary of work that has been done across different projects. I can also fetch a particular task. So for example, can you fetch ACMT task from paid companies? So it basically fetched the tasks, and now I can ask things like, give me a summary of activities done on this task. So it gives me all of the summary of the tasks, including what has been done, what is the use case, and stuff like that. So this is how the MCP server works. You can fetch tasks, you can get summary report, you can update, create, and also comment on existing tasks. Thanks. Bye-bye.